Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet P1606dn Printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. And here type HP LaserJet P1606 dn Printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the hpsupport.hp.com. It is an official website of HP printer. Open the first link. Here we find our printer name. Here we find our operating system. It's not detect our operating system, right? Then go to choose a different OS and click at here. And if you find Windows 11, don't go to the Windows 11. Windows 11 has not a proper drivers for our installation. Go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Windows 10 64-bit work with the our Windows 11 driver. Go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the update. 64-bit is very MP and its page. This page is refresh and here we find our drivers. Here go to the driver product installation software. Here we find our drivers. Here is our drivers. Here is the printer name. This is a series printer. Click at here. Here we find download. Click on download. It's redirect to another page. On top, at this point, our download is started and it's take few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed of your internet. So be a patient and wait for a few minutes or few seconds. Our download is completed now. Click on show in a folder. Click on show in a folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file, this printer setup file to desktop. Close it. Here is our printer setup file and we are going to extract or unzip this setup file. This setup file actually a zip file. Right click on it. Show more options. Click on show more options. Extract files. Click on OK. It's extract your files. It's take few seconds. So be a patient and wait for a few seconds. Our folder is unzipped now. Go to here. Here we find newly created folder. Double click on it. And here we find our entire drivers and we are going to install these drivers manually. Close it. First, go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a device. Click on add device. And in few seconds, new option is pop up. Wait for a few seconds. New option is pop up. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add manually. Close it. Here we find many options in add a printer. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Click at here. And if you find .4_001 HP printer or HP printer device HP port, then select that. If you not find any kind of HP port, then next option is USB, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004. Select any USB that you want. Select USB port. Click on the next. Click on have a disk. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Our drivers are on the desktop. Select our newly extracted folder. Double click on our printer folder. Here we find many options. Go to the last. Here we find 3 or 4 files. Select any file that you want. All files are our drivers files. Select any file. I select the first file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find many printers. Select our printer from here. Here we find many printers. Select your printer. HP LaserJet Professional P1606dn. Select that printer. Click on the next. Give any name. I give the HP LaserJet P1606dn and click on the next. Here it is installing your printer. It's take few minutes. So be a patient and wait for a few minutes. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer on network, then select last option. If you don't want to share this printer, then select first option. I select first option. I don't want and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start and type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In printers and scanner, if you find HP LaserJet P1606dn, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.